Today, we're putting the Xiaomi 17T Pro and the Poco F8 Ultra head-to-head in a quick camera test. Both phones promise flagship-level photography, but only one actually delivers consistently. In daylight shots, the Xiaomi 17T Pro leans toward more natural colors with better dynamic range, especially in tricky sky and shadow scenes. The Poco F8 Ultra, on the other hand, boosts contrast and saturation, which looks punchy but sometimes overshoots realism. Moving to portrait mode, both do a solid job separating the subject, but edge detection is slightly cleaner on the Xiaomi. Now in low light, this is where things get interesting. The Zen-T Pro controls noise better and keeps highlights in check, while the Poco F8 Ultra pulls in a brighter image, though with a bit more grain. For video, stabilization is smoother on the Xiaomi overall, especially when walking. So, which one wins? If you want consistency, Xiaomi takes it. But if you prefer vibrant, social-ready shots, Poco might be your pick.